Hi everyone! Check out the RAINANGEL Short Rain Boots for women, perfect for any wet weather adventure. These stylish rubber Chelsea boots feature an anti-slip outsole with a sturdy tread pattern for excellent grip on slippery or uneven surfaces. Made from premium waterproof rubber, they keep your feet dry even when walking through puddles or muddy grounds. The lightweight design and breathable lining ensure all-day comfort, while the removable insoles make cleaning and replacement easy. Whether you're gardening, hiking, or just walking in the rain, these ankle boots combine function with fashion effortlessly. Stay comfortable and safe, no matter where your outdoor activities take you. Experience reliable traction and waterproof protection without sacrificing style. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.